oscuros, bien polarizados, una plebe linda sentada aquí a mi lado, corrido sonando, le subo a mi radio.
What's going on YouTube? So hopefully you guys had a nice Christmas and the New Year's. I haven't posted in a while since you already know. Work, but I wasn't home for like almost a month. But yeah, so we just started the drop kit. We did the back already. Let me show you really quick. Right there, you see the new Belltech shocks right there. And the coil springs right there. I don't know if you can see them, but they're right there. And I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a spacer, that one right there. Right there. That's a spacer. That's a 1-inch spacer. So right now it's probably only dropped like 3 inches. If I take it out, it's gonna drop to 4 inches. But I'm not sure yet because I'm still gonna add the 2 15s in the back and that big ass battery. So it will drop to 4 inches. But if I take it out, it'll drop 4 inches. With the box and everything, it's gonna drop 5. So I'll probably take it out and let it lower to 5 inches. But right here we replaced the new ball joints in the front. We still got to replace the shocks right there. We did one side. We had everything ready. Everything was good right here, but I decided to change all 4. So new ball joints, upper and lower. And here you go. Here we got the new Belltech Street Performance shock right there. Oh yeah, and now we just gotta put this back on, and we should be good to go. That's why I gotta get under there and crank down the torsion key. I gotta crank them down, so because these right here, I think they only drop 2 inches, as well with the shocks. To get the full 3, I gotta crank down the keys. But yeah, and on the back, some YouTuber, he said to do the free travel mod, and we did. As you can see, that whole piece is missing right there. And yeah, man, also got to get a new LED tube right here, because when we put the suspension down, that shit I guess snapped, and that's going in new as well. I'll show you guys once I'm finished, with everything back on wheels and back on the road. But yeah, man, see you guys later. So I just got done washing my truck. I'm about to go get something to eat, but first I'm gonna go take a couple pictures and videos of the truck since I already dropped it. I removed the spacers from the back. It dropped another inch, and in the front it dropped 3 inches total once I adjusted the keys. But yeah, this bitch looking bad. All I need is my 26s, man. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go up to the spot and I'll show you guys how it looks, and y'all let me know what y'all think. It's a 3/4 drop from Belltech. Came with the springs, the shocks, and the spindles, all that good stuff. And since I replaced the ball joints, it rides even smoother. So ever since I dropped it, se acelera más, and every time I pass some bumps, you can't even feel it like I did with the stock shocks and the springs and all that. But yeah, it's just real nice, man. It rides real smooth. For the people in the audio, I got the 215s. I just returned the SKV 3500. I'm gonna get a 5K to push those 215s. I was gonna get the box built this week, but the guy wasn't there, so I guess I gotta wait a couple more weeks for the box to be built. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned for it. Shit gonna be pounding. And that's just for now. The 215s on top of the box. I'm gonna build a little wah with 4 10s, 2 horns, and 2 tweeters, and that shit's gonna be loud as fuck because the 10s, they're 1000 watts RMS from PRV. And I'm gonna make that shit sound real clean. I can do my doors now, but I just want to, you know, take it slow. You know, I don't want to rush this process, you know. Like, here it is. It's the 3/4 drop on my Tahoe. That's how she's sitting now. And those tires do rub a little, but you know, they're the 305 45 22s. Let me show you the back, how low it got. This bitch look real nice, man. I just need my 26s. Hell yeah. Got me on Instagram, sleepyboy.813. Show you this set right here. You can see it's 3 fingers of mine, and over here it's a little bit higher. See, I can fit 4, but whenever I add the box and the battery and the subs and the speakers, that shit's gonna drop another inch. But yeah, there's a 3/4 drop. I'm gonna show you the front really quick. That's how she looks. Later on, I am gonna do the HD front. You know, just so it can look a little bit beefier, but it's just for now. It's just a process. Let me know what you guys think. Hopefully you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Peace.